DecoNetwork makes it easy to create extra charges. By coming into Settings, Extra Charges, we can create a new extra charge. So what is an extra charge? Well, an extra charge is something we can use internally within Business Hub when we're putting together a quote or an order. These extra charges are not linked to a specific line item. It's a per unit charge. So if you need it to be multiplied multiple times, an extra charge is typically not the method. What extra charges are primarily used for is something like a color change. So maybe we offer a color change for screen printing and we charge $15. Now, could I do something like a screen setup fee? Yes, I could. But just so we're clear, each decoration process can account for some of these charges. So if I came into decoration pricing and I came into screen printing, there is a screen setup fee. If I wanted to charge a digitizing fee for embroidery, well, that's what an artwork fee is within embroidery. So do know that, hey, I don't want to use extra charges over what Deco already has because that's automatically kicking in. This is more of us, hey, we need to hit the customer with an extra charge. Maybe we do a bagging and tagging fee at 50 cents. But what I, again, want you to realize is this does not apply to a line item. It is essentially just an extra charge. So if I'm creating a quote or an order, so we'll do Zach. And when I add a product, so we'll just add the Gildan 5000 as an example. And let's just say I need 10 of them. And I go to add an extra charge. And here's a pretty cool thing. Let's say you haven't created all your extra charges here, but you're in the middle of creating a quote or an order and it's like, dang it, I need this charge. Well, you actually can create them on the fly. So Zach's example, and then I can choose to save it as a permanent, which is just like going back here and creating it from scratch. It will be saved. We'll do 0.5, or again, go back to my original example, bagging and tagging. But like I said, it's 1 unit. If it's supposed to be for all 10 quantity of this line, then I need to come in here and make it 10. It's never going to be automatic. I can, though, associate it with the line item. So if I come here, associate with line items, click that, click OK. It's not multiplying, but it's making it known, hey, this is associated with this line. That's where it is attached to. That's how extra charges work in DecoNetwork.